Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a fall Pikachu. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our fall Pikachu surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold down the middle, like I'm making a card. Then I'm going to fold it one more time and give it another fold so it looks like a bookmark. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I can turn my paper this way so I can open it up for that fun surprise. Now to start off with this, we're going to draw the Pokeball. And I'm just going to trace this little paint palette that I have. If you don't have anything to trace, that's okay. You can just freehand it. So I'm just going to begin by making a sad face like this. And then I'm going to make a happy face right underneath it for my little Pokeball shape. Now, inside of here, I'm going to make that button kind of look like a pumpkin. So I'm going to begin by making a little sad face like this, and a little happy face like this, kind of a little more oval. I'm going to make a bump here that curves to here, and then a bump here that's going to curve. And we'll make a little rectangle on top for the stem. Next, I'm going to draw a line that goes across, and we're going to jump over our pumpkin, and then we're going to come back to here. Do that same thing here, kind of go over, make our little bump, and then come right to here. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our Pokeball. So let's start up here. I'm going to begin by making two lines down. And then I'm just going to connect them with a straight line across. Then let's make our pumpkin lines come down. We'll do that same thing here. Bring each line up. Make a line across. And then we're going to make some lines come up here. So now, let's draw a little fall Pikachu in here. So first thing we want to do is I'm going to start right here. I'm going to make a nice little curve shape. Then I'm going to draw a line. It's going to come up, it's going to go over, and then down. And that's going to be like part of his hat. I'm going to make another line that's just going to curve up and down for the top of the hat. And then I'm going to put a little puffball on top. Now right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down, and it's going to come back up. For his eyes, let's make a little circle, and then I'll make another little circle here. Then I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. So I just kind of drew those little small circles off to the top and the side of the eye. Then I'm just going to kind of fill in around there. Next, I'm going to make a little oval shape for the nose. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down and up, and then down and up. We'll make a nice smile with a little curve for the tongue. Then on the sides by the cheeks, we're going to make a little circle shape for his little red cheeks. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out to a point and down. And then same thing here. I'm going to make it come out to a point and down. A little curve here and a little curve here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. I'm going to curve it around and then bring it up to here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out on each side for his little arms. And then we'll make a couple little bumps, about 3 or 4 of them. I'll do 4 for his little toes or fingers. Then we're going to bring this back. Then we're just going to make a line that comes down right to the Pokeball. Now, right here, I'm going to make 2 wiggly lines for the scarf that I connect. And then we're just going to make a zigzag line across. Then I like to make some little lines right on the scarf, just so we can draw a little pattern when we color it. I'm also going to make some little lines right on the bottom part of the hat. Now let's make his tail. Let's make a line that goes up and down, up, and then we're going to come out to here. We'll do that same thing. Go up, over, and up. We're going to make it come out nice and wide and then up. Now, the final thing with our little fall Pokeball is let's add some leaves. So let's make like some little kind of like pointed football shapes all around here. We're going to make a few of these kind of all around, kind of go in all different directions. Then just make a little stem on them. You can put them at the top, the bottom, wherever. You can even do this. I like to make some little arrows in some different spots, kind of go in some different directions. And then I like to make some points on each side. This way it kind of looks like there's some different types of leaves out there. This is just a quick, simple way of doing that. And then give them a little stem. We can even do this with like a rounded shape, kind of like an umbrella. Maybe put a couple of those on here. And you kind of put them different directions. And then make them a little wiggly as they go down with a stem. And by doing that, it just makes it another different type of leaf. So I'm going to make these little wiggles on each side. And there you go. There's your drawing of a Fall Pikachu Surprise Fold. We have it all folded up. We've got our cute little fall Pokeball. And then when we open it, we got Fall Pikachu jumping out with all of his leaves. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.